Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So let's try to set up the index.ts file. We have it, and server.ts file we are having. So this is the basic thing, right? Let's go on set up the middlewares and all those things. So here it should be listening, and here what I will say is I will have a method in such a way that public start. So I'll be having one method, and here I can have private middleware. Okay, middlewares. So whatever the middlewares are there, here you can use it, and private, here I can have a setup routes. Okay, so whatever the routes you can set up it here, and here I will have another one is setup global errors. So we will try to see as our project goes on, so you will be able to understand what is this for all. And here all this one also I'll make it as in private. Okay, and here we are having public start and all the things, right? So in this public start, first we need to call the middleware. Okay, so this and the order of the thing is important. So setup routes, and here, and we will be calling the setup global errors, and at last we will be calling the listen server. Okay, so this is our thing. We will go on write about this one all when your project is going on. So I will try to explain you what we will be trying to do in the index.ts file. So what I would be trying, this one is a private method. So here I need to call the start. Let's go here and start this one, npm run dev. Let's check whether the application is working fine or not. So hopefully it should work fine. Now, so this one is completed. Okay, hope looks like it's working fine. So done. Now what I want to do it is, so this basic setup is completed. Let's try to set up the folder structure. So that is also one of the important thing, right? You need to understand the folder structure also. Let's say that here I will be creating a new folder, and here I will use the features. Okay, whatever the features we are having, I will try to add it, and here I will be having another one, something like globals. Whatever the naming convention you want, you can use it. So here I am using the features, and in this feature, let's say that first feature which we will be trying to implement is the user. Okay, in this user we will be having a folder something like controllers. Okay, and the another one which I will be having is the interfaces, and the next one you will be having is the schemas. Okay, we will try able to understand one by one this one. So the last one which you will be having is the services. So this is the file structure, folder structure which you are having. This is one feature, and if you have another feature means we will have another feature. So keep it like this. So just I have kept it like this one, user, and now in the globals also I will try to add it one by one. So this is the basic thing. Now here we are using the port as 5000, right? So what I want to do it is, so here I want to use the env feature. So for this one what we can do it is, I will try to show you. So we have in our npm we have .env. Let's go into .env, and this is the npm.js project, and here let's try to see about this package .env project. So .env is a zero dependency module depend that loads environment variables from a .env file into process.env, storing configuration in the environment separate from code. So how we can install this one? So use this thing, and let's go to our project, and here I can stop this one, and here I will run. So it will install the package. Let it install. So it has been installed. So after installing, what we need to do, so let's go to here and we'll see. So install or installing, okay, fine. So it is asking that create a .env file in the root of your project. Okay, so let's try to create a .env file here. New file, I am creating .env. This is our new file, and here whatever the things you want you can write it, and here it is asking S3 bucket and all those things, right? So for the time being what I will do, port. Okay, port is equal to 5000. So this is the thing which I will be trying to use it right now. Let's see here. So we have used it, the port, and now what is, if you are using ES6 means it is trailing to import it like this. Okay, let's import it this one. Where we need to import in the server.ts file. Okay, so here we need to import the .NET config. Okay, we have imported it, and how we need to use it, something like s3.bucket. Okay, this is the required thing. Here it is telling .NET. Okay, let's go here down, import PostgreSQL. So this one is not showing any. Let's try to come down. let's see here. This is all .NET. Okay, let's go here and I will try to show you. And here in this port, we can use process.env.port. You can use the port directly, or otherwise if the port is not there means then I will take the 5050. Now here we are importing this .NET env and we are importing this 250, and if I try to run this one, let's see what will happen. So it should listen to the port 5000. Why? Because I have written in the .env 5000. So otherwise it will fall back to the 5050 if it is not able to read it. So here it is reading and it should read the 5000. See, now it is listening to the 5000 port. For example, let's say that if I have changed it to 3000, let's say issue. Now here what I will do, again I will run it. So let's try to run this one and again see. Now it should listen to the port 3000. So we are able to confirm that it is reading it. See, 3000 means it is reading it from the here. So fine, let's keep it like this, or otherwise I will keep 5000 only. Fine, done. So this is how we will be setting the .env variables. So .env variables, whatever the environment variables are there, it will try to read it from here. This is the basic project setup and also the env variables and all those things set up for this one. So I am now, from the next onwards we will try to work on the ORM database setup and all those things we will work on. So that's it guys about this concept. So hope you understood about this one. What I will try to do is I will create a new branch, the entire code and video -4, and I will commit this entire code. Whoever may be having doubts or anything, so they can understand this code, so they can go through this code and all those things. The GitHub URL is provided in the link below, or otherwise you can go to my Leela WebDev GitHub URL. The username is Leela WebDev. So there you can able to find this HireAPI API project. So if you are practicing this one, so you can take a look at this code for your reference. That's it guys about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.